Hello everyone, welcome to Amin Maths Club. Today we have an exponential equation that 6 raised to the power x minus 2 is equal to 30. So we have to find the value of x. So starting from solution, that 6x minus 2 is equal to 30. So first of all, we are going to split this exponent. So as we know that by the formula, that if a raised to the power m minus n, then it is equal to a raised to the power m times a raised to the power minus n. So we can write above equation like this: 6 raised to the power x times 6 raised to the power minus 2, which is equal to 30. So here we can write it like this, that 6 raised to the power x times 6 raised to the power minus 2, and we can also split this side, right hand side, which is 5 times 6, 5 times 6. So here now we are going to divide 6 raised to the power minus 2 at both hand side. So dividing 6 raised to the power minus 2 at both sides, so we get 6 raised to the power x, 6 raised to the power minus 2 divided by 6 raised to the power minus 2, and here 6 over 6 raised to the power minus 2. So now we are going to cancel that 6 raised to the power minus 2 is cancelling this one, so we get 6 raised to the power x, which is equal to that 5 times 6, and we know that here that as if we have 1 by a, which is also equal to a raised to the power minus 1. So if we have 6 raised to the power minus 2, then it will go to as a numerator, so we have to change the value symbol of this 2. So 5 times 6, then times 6 raised to the power, this will become plus 2. Okay, so now 6 to the power x, 5 times 6 to the power, and we know that it has exponent 1, so 1 plus 2 is 3. So here we can see that 6 raised to the power x is equal to 5 times 6 raised to the power 3. So we are going to taking logarithm at both hand side. So taking log at both sides, then we get that log 6 raised to the power x, and similarly at right hand side log 5 times 6 raised to the power 3. So as we know that if log m to the power n, then we can write it like this, n is going on that as a mid behind the log, so n log m. So putting this in above equation, then we get log x is going this, so x log 6 is equal to log 5 times 6 to the power 3. And we also know that here that when log is multiplied by with any two number in product, then we can write it in addition form. So we know that log a times b is also write like this: log a plus log b. So here we can write it like this, that x log 6 is equal to log 5 plus log 6 to the power 3. So we are going to again using the same law that it is in exponent, so it is also written like this: x log 6 is equal to log 5 plus 3 log x. So now we are going to write it like this, that dividing both sides by log 6. So here we can write it like this individually, that log 6 and similarly log 6. So here we can cancel log 6 at both sides. So we get x is equal to log 5 over log 6 plus, we can see that log 6 is cancelling with log 6, so we get 3. So here we can also write it like this, that x is equal to log, it is base of 6 and 5, so plus 3. So it is actually the result, the value of x. So we can also here verify this value. When we put this value in this that equation, then we see that 6 raised to the power x, x minus 2 is equal to 30. So we can verify this. So here we are going to verify that, as we know that 6x minus 2 is equal to 30. So putting the value of x, then we get 6, that x is actually log 6 base 5 plus 3 is equal to 30. And here, sorry, that log 6 raised 5 plus 3, and here is also minus 2. So we can write it like this, log base 6 5 and plus 3 minus 2 is plus 1 is equal to 30. So we can also write it like this, as we know that it is also 6 have two exponents. So we can split it like this, that if 6 log base 6 5 times it is 6 raised to the power 1, so is equal to 30. So here we can see that that actually log 6, it is also written as, we know that if a log base a power b, base a and b, so it will be equal to b. So it's a rule of logarithm. So putting this rule in this equation, then we get it is equal to 6 and 6, similarly both are same, then we use 5. So here the result is 5 and it is 6 is equal to 30, and we know that 5 6 are 30. So our answer is correct. Left hand side is equal to right hand side, so our correct answer is x. So it is the value of x, that is what we wish to prove. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thank you. Goodbye.